The newly updated BMW F800 GS Sport Tourer bike brings more of the same in this upcoming year of 2013. Equipped with a 799cc twin-cylinder fuel-injected engine, which peaks at 84 horsepower and 61 foot-pounds of torque at 7,500 RPM. The F800 GS is also equipped with a 6-speed transmission and an all-new feature called Safety 360, which is pretty much simply a glorified ABS unit. Going further in, the bike has updated bodywork for a more raw look and now features an updated instrument cluster and display which displays fuel level and coolant temperature. Also new is the smoke gray glass for turn indicators and a LED taillight. Available as an optional package is the electronic suspension adjustment, which gives riders an option to adjust the rear suspension with just a tap of a button. ABS is also an add-on that does not come standard. The fuel mileage averages at 62 miles per gallon and has a tank capacity of 4.2 gallons, which gives you an estimated cruising distance of 260 miles. Perfect for the out-of-state adventure. The F800 GS will be available in Kalamata Metallic Matte, Cordoba Blue, and Alpine White. MSRP starts at $12,335 and quickly escalates as you add on options. Now please like and favorite this video. Also subscribe to see more 2013 models. Peace.